Safely place the machine position onto the ground. Set the dial to its minimum and wait for at least 3 minutes before you turn the machine off. Push the cut-off lever down and turn the key off. Turn the key back on and push the cut-off lever up. Do not start the machine. Make a circle with levers on both sides to eliminate residual pressure. Open air breather cap to let out residual pressure. Carefully step down from the machine and go to the pump room with an oil pan and the toolbox. Install an oil pan. Take off your gloves to prevent any foreign substance from entering hydraulic line. You can measure Negacon pressure in 2 locations. The one you are watching is at the rear side of the main pump. Install an adapter. Assemble the Negacon hose under the adapter. Tighten it with a spanner. Loose the adapter cap to connect the adapter with the gauge hose. Install the gauge hose onto the adapter. Assemble the gauge hose and the gauge. We recommend you to use the gauge at more than 50 bars and less than 100 bars. Check the main pressure to better understand the Negacon pressure. The Negacon pressure is on the left and the main pressure is on the right. Turn the machine on to check the pressure. When the machine is turned on and not in use, the Negacon pressure is kept at around 28 to 35 bars. The main pressure is at the same level with the Negacon pressure. When increased from the idle RPM to the power mode max RPM, the pressure increases a bit further. As the relief starts, the Negacon pressure instantly becomes less than 2 bars. When the machine is turned off, you will see no pressure on both sides. There are 2 foot relief valves and the Negacon pressure is produced on each front and rear side of the main pump. The foot relief valve produces the Negacon pressure. When the Negacon pressure is produced, it goes out to the Negacon piston of the main pump regulator. The fact that the Negacon pressure is being produced means that the machine is in standby status where it is turned on but not operating. This is to reduce oil flow for preventing energy loss. Swash plate tilting angle is changed with the minimum amount of oil flow. When the machine starts to operate, the swash plate tilting angle becomes wider as the pressure sent to the Negacon piston is less than 2 bars. Wider angle means that the machine is starting to operate as the oil flow is at its max. As the spool moves by the Negacon piston without pressure, large chamber and drain line are connected together, making the widest angle. Disconnect the gauge hose and the adapter from the pump. You must install an oil pan to prevent environmental pollution. When you finished removing the adapter, assemble the Negacon hose back together. We are not responsible for any issue that may occur with a machine that is turned on without the assembly. When everything's cleaned up, make sure you removed any contamination in the surroundings.